have a good chemistry with the team or somebody na hindi maka-provide na what we're expecting. So, ganun. But right now, we're not thinking of that. But it depends. Usually, collective decision ito. If the management told us na, okay, look for another import or so we will evaluate kung talagang kailangan namin. Ganyan. But compared to the other import of the other team, medyo malayo, medyo dikit ng kaunti lang. Ganyan. But what we want to have, any team naman siyempre, kung maaari, magaling lagi yung player mo wala pang wala pa kaming decision about changing the import In fairness sa kanya, dahil alam naman namin na magaling siya Magaling siya dahil makikita mo yung clips niya when he played here with Barako. Nag-average siya ng 33 points and a lot of rebounds. But it seems na merong konting problema yata doon sa kanyang health. So we don't know yet. Pa-evaluate namin kung talagang it's really for us going to the playoff. Dahil sa playoffs, we cannot afford to have a new import kung basta darating lang at maglalaro. At dahil in my team, gusto ko, alam nila lahat ng ginagawa. Everybody should be on the same page. And that's our problem before. Dahil we're relying on the talent of the player. Dahil naro sa AC, okay, pagpasok sa kanya, alam na nila yung gagawin. He could take over. But in a playoffs, everybody should think of the basic of basketball. Dahil hindi ka makaka-pass break, hindi ka makapag one-on-one dahil So we should rely on what we're doing as a team.